Okay, now let's talk about Boolean tool add-on in Blender. There's a Bool tool, we need to add it. It's add-on, but inside the Blender. We don't have to download it or something. We just need to go to edit from here, go to preferences, and go to add-on here, and go to search and type Bool. It's gonna give us object Bool tool. Just enable it or disable it. You can enable it from here. After you enable it, just close this window, and you're gonna find it in the sidebar here. You can press N or this arrow to show this sidebar. Okay, find edit, go to edit, and you're gonna find the Bool tool in the edit section here. Okay, the Bool tool, there's two options here in this Bool tool add-on. There's auto boolean and there's brush boolean. And the difference between them, auto boolean, you can't, if you make a boolean from auto boolean, you can't make any change or edit later on. But in brush boolean, you can make a change and edit. For example, let's duplicate this cube by pressing Shift and D. Maybe like this. Okay, if we select this object and this object, and let's make a difference. It's making a cut between this object and this object. Like this. And now we can't make any change. We have a new cube with a new cut. Okay, but what about if we just choose this difference from brush boolean here? It's gonna give us a wireframe cube, so we can control and move it like this to control the cut that you need. This is the difference. It's making a cut between the object. Okay, now let's talk about union. Union, it's to make two objects, one object, and delete the intersection between them. For example, if we go to wireframe, you're gonna see like there's intersection here between the two cubes. If we click at union, it's gonna remove the intersection between them, the connected area between this cube and this cube, and it's gonna give us just one cube. So it's one cube now, we can move it at the same time. And this union from brush boolean, it's the same. We just have the control control from the object. Now we have the intersection here. So if we press this cube and make intersection, it's gonna remove everything and just keep the intersection between this cube and this cube. And this one, it's the same, and it will give us the control to move and choose the edit that we want. After we're happy in this brush boolean, if we want like to apply this object, just apply brush here, and after if we move it, it's not gonna do anything because we apply it. Let's Control Z. Okay, now we have the last one is slice. A slice, it's making the connected area between the cubes a new object, like remove the new object, that object, and make this a new object. For example, let's move it like this maybe, and select this object and make slice. It's gonna give us a new cube, a new object of a new slice like this. This is a slice, and this from brush boolean, it's the same. It's gonna give us the control like this, and after we're happy, we need to apply brush. That's it. So if we move it now, there is no different. We can't make a different because we apply the brush. Bool tool, we're gonna use it a lot in this course, and this is really important to use it in Blender. So you will have a lot of option and easy way to make any complicated object.